Welcome back to Horseshoe Firearms. Today we're going to be doing a feature on a Ruger 1022 Charger. This particular gun come in and noticed that as soon as we opened up the box that this Ruger 1022 Charger had a custom chassis put on it in the red, white, and blue. This is not what come from Ruger originally. This was added on after the fact. As well as we have a 9-inch barrel. This one has been cut and threaded for the 1/2x28 threads, and we will be shooting this with our SilencerCo Sparrow Suppressor today. Some models came with a bipod, not this particular one, but it did come with a bipod from the factory. So it's a basic 1022 receiver that you're accustomed to. No difference there. Trigger's all the same. Notice that it also has a Picatinny Weaver multi-use type rail here. This is primarily used for bench rest shooting or competition short barrel pistol type shooting for the 22 long rifle caliber weapons. We'll go out to the range and put a few rounds through it, and we'll see how it does on suppressed fire, and we'll get back to you after we get back from the range.
Pretty quiet right there. It's like the Calibri's all over again.
Yeah. That's crazy, dude.
Sounds like a pellet gun.
That's pretty bad. All right, so we put a few rounds through it. Armscor had no issues. We tried some of the Quiet-22s, and it literally sounded like a pellet gun. It would not, didn't have enough power to pull the bolt back to where it would feed reliably, so we had to basically do it like a single shot, but it was extremely quiet. Now we're going to do a real quick, we're going to run the bore snake and do a little quick wipe down. Again, we use our SilencerCo Sparrow on this one, and it does not disappoint. And we are going to be using our Hillco brand all-in-one. Stuff does an excellent job. We'll just snake the barrel first. As always, please make sure that you've checked your chamber and dropped your mag, which we have. Just use one of our wipes on it here. If you've seen our other videos, and you already know 22 ammunition is dirty stuff, especially suppressed. So we just want to give that a good wipe down there. Barrel. And that's what you have left after you take off the suppressor and you get a good cleaning, that is what we're left with. Again, we found that this charger was interesting nonetheless. It's a niche gun, not something that I would personally have in my collection, but there are people out there that enjoy these 22s for competition shooting. All in all, it's Ruger. You're going to get Ruger quality as always. They have great customer service, we found, dealing with them in the past. But please check the link in the description, and also like and subscribe. Thank you very much.